Hi, my name is Johanna, and this is my brand video response. Three things that I found, or 2 to 3 things that I found really interesting about this article, was the study that showed that child knowledge of brands that offered products high in sugar, salt, and fat were shown to be a significant predictor of child BMI. And that was really interesting to me because I think it does kind of lead to the idea that you're getting more predisposed to wanting those like really high fat, high salt, high sugar products because that is what you're being so like almost mentally enticed by the logos. A lot of the times logos are bright colors, they're really easily marketable, and I think that really goes along with my second point that I found interesting, which was that products packaged with heavily marketed brand were found by preschoolers to be tastier than the same foods in plain packaging. And I think that kind of ties together just because it really is the Golden Arches. It's that clown. It's Burger King with the mascot. It's just any of those types of things. And I remember when I was in my different AP like psychology class in high school, we had to do specifically like we had to watch a video and do like a study on the fact that a lot of the times there are cereals, specifically cereals and different things that are marketed to children that are really like high in sugar that have characters on the boxes. The eyes will be slightly angled down, and that's so that they can make eye contact, or that it easily like creates a feeling of eye contact with a smaller person or child specifically. And that kind of creates that connection, and it's really stimulating. It's a cartoon. It's interesting for the kid, and they associate that stimulation with it tasting better, which I definitely have seen in the kids that I've babysat and different things like that. I also found it very interesting that the correlation between BMI and logo recognition implied that marketing exposure and brand awareness was part of lifestyle, and it was linked to becoming overweight. And I think that that's really interesting just because I think what they were trying to say there and what that general paragraph was about was more that if you are shown these brands more, it's most likely because you either watch TV, you see these advertisements all the time, or it's because you eat these things fairly regularly and you become really, you want McDonald's specifically if you're going to get a burger because you get that all the time and that's what you become used to, and that's the brand logo that you associate burgers with, and you don't really want something else when it's something else that might be healthier, I guess, and not really a fast food burger. I don't think it's healthier per se at different fast food areas, but just that correlation between BMI and logo recognition is more of a lifestyle thing because there's a reason why they recognize those logos.